Namaste to all. Good morning to friends. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom class will start from 10th July 2024. This is English medium. In this class, previously, first of all, we are sending 45 pre-recorded videos immediately and 15 live Zoom class will start from 10th July 2024. And study material also we are sending to your email address. The course fees is 7,500. The course is conducted by Jyotisha Kalanidhi A. Devaraj, Chennai. Cell number 9382339084. For more details, please call this number. Actually, this class is 10th July only. But once the payment 7,500 received, within 24 hours, our 45 number pre-recorded videos with study material to be sent your email immediately. Because before coming to our Zoom class, we have to watch all the 45 recorded videos and study our study material. This will help to easy to understand our Zoom class. The doubt clarification Zoom class is 45 minutes, 15 classes through Zoom meeting, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. The doubt clarification classes, that is the Zoom classes, are also recorded and sent, and it will be sent to all students through the private link. Meantime, one day before, we will tell the subject. Every Zoom classes we will inform tomorrow marriage, day after tomorrow childbirth, next day Friday share market. Like this we will inform the subject before that. Student, they have to watch our videos, corresponding videos they have to watch, then they can easily understand to participate the Zoom class. Our pre-recorded video will be sent to our private link. Already I told, our student only can see these videos lifelong. They can see, it will not delete. For more details, please call 9382339084. Meantime, our WhatsApp group admin Mr. Rajasekhar, cell number 87785905667. The student doubts will be clear the following ways. The 45 minutes Zoom meeting, 15 days, already I told. In that meeting, they have to ask the doubt. Meantime, student are welcome to ask their doubt in their WhatsApp group. Actually, these students are added in one WhatsApp group. Up to the course conducting time, the WhatsApp group will be active. In that group also, they can ask their doubt. These doubts, that means through the WhatsApp group doubts, will be clear in the upcoming Zoom meeting. Meantime, our student Telegram group for lifelong continuous support also we are giving. All our online students are made in one Telegram group. Immediately we will add the Telegram group. The Telegram group, more than 100 students are there. Previous old student. The old student both are discussing any horoscope. Every month or every week they are discussing some horoscope. You can take it freely. That means we are giving the lifelong continuous support. For the payment, Google Pay number is 94457217993. Phone Pay number is 9382339084. For more details, contact this number. Our website www.astrodevaraj.com. This is Tamil website. Our English website is www.kpastrologyclass.com. Particularly the topics which are going to discuss in the 45 recorded videos and our Zoom classes. The topic is number 1, importance of Cuspal Interlinks. Actually, our class is conducting the Cuspal Interlinks theory. Therefore, importance of Cuspal Interlinks, principle and golden rules in Cuspal Interlink, inner and outer bhava karagas, importance of potential for all bhavas, importance of dasa buddhi for horoscope, application of Cuspal Interlinks. Seventh is birth time rectification and ruling planet, finance and money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, childbirth astrology, property astrology, timing of events astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology, business astrology, and various horoscope. That means student horoscope also we can analyze in this group. If the student is already given this horoscope to me, that horoscope also, any doubt clarification, we will analyze in the Zoom meeting. Transit analysis in horoscope and horary or prasanna prediction technique also, it will be there in our 45 recorded video and Zoom class also. Note, those who are coming to our online training, please watch our English YouTube channel, that means this channel, because it will improve your knowledge. Thank you very much. Thank you.